So hello everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Float Arts by Elsa. So I am going to show you the video from my previous painting. It has dried beautifully. I love the accents I added there. I was nervous about the different color combinations on the same canvas, but I'm happy, I'm thrilled I did it, and I want to try it again. Not today though. Today I'm going small, but I'm going to show you anyway. So I can't wait for you to see this one. It's a big one, so check her out. And you can see the accents I added to this painting. Tell me what you think about this one. Look at her. She is gorgeous. Gorgina. I'm super happy I did this. And you see the different tones in the petals here. Love it. Absolutely love it. I don't know if you can see the edges here with the two colors as I did in the edge. And you can see the interest that it created on the painting, on the edges here. Absolutely gorgeous. That's something definitely to try again. Look at that. Look at that corner there. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Tell me what you think about this one. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Also, click the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content. And if you're interested in this piece or any of my pieces, don't forget you could reach me at elsasgallery@gmail.com. So I'm going to put this baby down and we're going to start in today's video. So meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone. So here we are. We are working on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. My canvas has been flooded with Float Acrylic Black by Artist Loft. So that is what I flooded my canvas with. If you have any questions regarding how to flood your canvas, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I can answer your question. Now, I'm going to show you the colors I'm going to be using, and there are a couple of colors, but we'll see what happens, how this works out. So first color I'm starting with is Pearl Green by Amsterdam. So this is the first color we're doing. And I think I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to go like this. Okay. So Pearl Green. Now I am doing Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. And I'm just doing a little bit of this green. Kind of running low on this one. It's okay though. That's just enough. Okay. So I have another bottle already mixed up, but I want to finish this one. So Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. My next color is Pale Olive by Winsor and Newton. So different shades of greens here to start us off. And you know what? I'm going to put some more of this, and I want to wiggle outside the lines and on this side too. Just like that. Okay. And I'm going to do the same with the white. With the pearl white. I'm going to wiggle outside the lines. Just like that. Make it a little more interesting. Okay. My next color is Pearl Pink by Arteza. I feel like it's a little too structured, so maybe mixing it up a bit like this creates a little more interest. So we're going to do pearl pink. Again, we're going right outside these lines. And I'm doing a little more, just like that. Pearl pink. Now I am doing Quinacridone Rose Light by Amsterdam. Okay. I love the colors. I love the colors already. Next I have Permanent Rose by Winsor and Newton. I'm just having fun with these. Oh, this is gorgeous. Do I want to add some more? No. Okay. All right. And last color, and I'm going to be very light-handed with this one. Luminous Violet by Holbein. Love the color. Take a look at that. Gorgeous. This one I have to be careful with. Okay. Perfect. Love it. Now I am going to go ahead and torch out my air bubbles. Torch out air bubbles. Okay. All right. Now we're ready. And we're going to begin right down here pushing up. So let's go ahead. Just moving some things out of the way. Okay, here we go. Love it. Love how this branched out. Here I have it kind of like I stopped there. So what I'm going to do is, let me remove this little stub right there. Good. And now with my finger, I'm just going to swipe into the painting. That way we can get rid of some of that. So into the painting, just like that. And you see how it created some, it opened it up a little bit. I'm going to blow right in here. But I'm going to continue just to fix what I see here first. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Oh, right here. Beautiful. Love it. Love it. So I'm going to come around. I'm going to blow right in there. And then I don't think there's anything else I want to do here. So let me come around. Let me take these gloves off. Because I got to hold my hair back. So I want to, I got to go around. Okay. I'm sorry about my head here. I love it. It looks gorgeous. I don't think there's anything I want to do here other than fix my sides once it dries. But for right now, I don't think there's anything I want to do to this. So let me clean up my edges and I'll show you. Okay, everyone, so here she is. Look how gorgeous she is. And I am going to bring you in so you can see these colors. I'm sorry about the glare on the top, but look how gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that green, that deep green by Amsterdam. When it mixed with the light green with the pearl green, it created this beautiful shade of green. And I'm going to take you into this petal first. So this is the petal to the right. Look at the ginormous cells created here. That Holbein cell right there looks like a gemstone. Tell me what you think about that. Beautiful gemstone right there, showcased. And as we head up to this corner, I'm going to take you to my favorite. Look at that corner. Look at that cluster of cells. How gorgeous is that? That's the Holbein, and it looks like it's the pearl green by Amsterdam. So those two right up there, beautiful. And then it kind of branches out a little more muted. And I'm coming down the center. Oh, look at this piece right here as well. Gorgeous. And that has to be the Permanent Rose by Winsor and Newton. Love how it's showcased there. Now coming back up this petal, now we get the pinks, the pearl pink and the Quinacridone rose, the Holbein. Some of that white is the pearl green. And check that little cluster right there. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Tell me what you think about this one. I love it. Absolutely a beautiful one. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I love the colors with that black base. What do you think about that? And yeah, just give it a like, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.